Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we will solve an equation. This equation involves with the exponent equation. Mostly people think that exponent equation is little bit complicated, but you will see here inside this video I will show you how can we solve exponent equation very easily by using basic rule of algebra. So let's start our video. So our given question is 4 is to power 2x minus 2 into 4 is to power minus 4x plus 1 equal to 1 over 16. In order to solve this equation, first we apply basic algebraic rule, which is if the bases are same then power will be add together. So what we will get? We will get 2x minus 2 is same as, and this will be add together with this value, and this will be minus 4x plus 1. I add two these values together with the same base, and now this 16 will change into 1 over 4 square. Why? 4 square equal to 16. Now what I will do? I will simplify this condition. How? This 2x minus 4x will be equal to minus 2x, and minus 2 plus 1 will be equal to minus 1. Now this 4 square which exists in the denominator will go in numerator, and it will change into 4 minus 2 power. 4 is to power minus 2. Now here we will apply another basic rule of algebra, which is if the bases are equal then power will also equal. Then what we will get? We will get minus 2x minus 1 equal to minus 2. Now it looks little bit simple. So now we will simplify here this equation. How? Simply this minus 2x will go to the other side of the equation, and we will get 2x. Minus 1 will remain same, but this minus 2 will go to the other side of the equation, and it will change into positive 2. Now this 2x will remain same, but this 2 minus 1, it will be equal to positive 1. Now what we will get in the next step? Simply x is equal to 1 over 2, because 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Same, but this 2 will go to the other side of the equation, because our purpose is leave x alone on the one side of the equation. So this 2 will go to the other side of the equation, but here it is in multiplication. To the other side of equation it will be in division. So our value of x is 1 over 2. So I hope this video is very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.